Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best reed case is probably one of the most essential accessories for any clarinetist, offering crucial protection and preservation for your delicate reeds, ensuring they remain in optimal condition for every performance and practice session. A high-quality reed case not only safeguards your reeds from damage like warping or chipping but also helps to regulate humidity, preventing them from drying out or becoming too moist, which can significantly impact their sound and playability. Investing in a reliable reed case is a small but vital step towards maintaining the longevity and consistent performance of your instrument's most critical component, ultimately enhancing your musical experience and saving you money on frequent reed replacements. Number 5. Mendini by Cecilio Ebonite BB Clarinet Kit. Introducing the Mendini by Cecilio Ebonite BB Clarinet Kit, designed for beginners. This kit offers a high-quality instrument for your musical journey. Crafted from premium ABS material with smooth, durable nickel-plated keys, it ensures a bright tone and stable vibration. The responsive keys and wear-resistant pads make playing comfortable and enjoyable. Its elegant design features a sleek bakelite body and nickel-plated keys. The smooth mouthpiece and ring-wrapped bell mouth contribute to accurate articulation and a fuller sound, perfect for beginners. Experience pure, rich sound with high-quality barrels for sound adjustment. The 17 responsive keys are easy to play, making it ideal for practice, concerts, and home use. This comprehensive set includes the clarinet, mouthpiece, reeds, barrel, case, stand, cork grease, a helpful instruction book, cleaning cloth, and gloves. It's the perfect gift for aspiring clarinetists. Each instrument is rigorously tested at the factory and again locally in Southern California. We offer local servicing and a variety of colors to help you stand out. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those just starting their musical journey. If you are looking for an all-in-one package that includes everything you need to begin playing immediately, this is the clarinet for you. It offers a smooth sound and comfortable playing experience, making those first steps into learning the clarinet enjoyable and less intimidating. What people say. The case is very lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. It offers excellent protection for the clarinet, with a sturdy exterior and well-padded interior. The internal compartments are thoughtfully designed to hold all necessary accessories, such as reeds, swabs, and cleaning cloths. Number 4. Yibuy Strong Clarinet Reed Box. Introducing the Yibuy Strong Clarinet Reed Box, designed to keep your reeds safe and sound. Its premium construction ensures your reeds are protected. Crafted from PU leather, it offers a comfortable grip. The soft flannel grooves securely hold up to 10 clarinet reeds, preventing any damage. Designed for your convenience, this box opens and closes with ease. Retrieving and storing your reeds has never been simpler. Featuring an independent card slot design, it makes picking and placing reeds a breeze. This thoughtful design helps prevent reed damage. Its semi-enclosed design includes small vents, allowing for essential airflow. This keeps your reeds clean and in optimal condition. With its small and concise design, it's incredibly lightweight. This makes it easy to carry wherever your music takes you. What we like. For the player who values organization and protection for their reeds, this case is an excellent choice. If you want to keep up to 10 reeds secure, prevent damage, and ensure they are easily accessible, consider this option. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for carrying around to rehearsals or lessons without adding bulk. What people say. This reed case is designed to hold up to 10 reeds, keeping them organized and protected. The case features a secure clasp that prevents accidental opening, ensuring reeds stay in place. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a gig bag or backpack. Number 3. D'Addario Reed Guard, Small, Blue. Keep your clarinet and saxophone reeds safe and sound. This guard gently but securely holds any assortment of your reeds. Say goodbye to warped reeds. Its grooved surfaces are designed to keep them perfectly flat. This versatile guard is compatible with BB clarinet, EB clarinet, and soprano and alto saxophone reeds. Never be short on reeds again. Each guard has the capacity to hold up to 4 reeds at a time. Express your style with a variety of colors. Choose from black, red, yellow, green, blue, or purple. What we like. If you need a simple, effective way to protect a few reeds from warping, this is a great pick. It's ideal for players who want to keep their reeds in good condition between uses without a lot of fuss. The secure yet gentle grip ensures your reeds are safe, and its availability in various colors lets you add a personal touch. What people say. The case is very sturdy and protective. It has plenty of room for accessories and sheet music. The clarinet fits snugly and securely inside. Number 2. The Dario Reed Guard 4, Sax and Clarinet Reed Case. Keep your clarinet and saxophone reeds safe and sound. This case is designed to hold any assortment of your reeds securely yet gently. Protect your valuable reeds without breaking the bank. We offer an affordable storage solution for all your reed needs. This case is specifically designed to fit BB clarinet, soprano sax, and alto sax reeds. Ensure a perfect fit every time. Never be caught short with only one reed. Each guard has the capacity to hold up to 4 reeds at a time. Whether you play clarinet, soprano, alto, tenor, or baritone sax, we have you covered. It's available in both small and large sizes to accommodate your specific instrument. What we like. This reed case offers a practical and budget-friendly solution for reed storage. If you're looking for a reliable way to house your BB clarinet or saxophone reed securely, this is a solid choice. It's designed to protect your reeds and is available in different sizes, making it versatile for various reed types. What people say. The case is very sturdy and protects the clarinet well. It has plenty of room for accessories like reeds, swabs, and cleaning cloths. The interior is lined with soft velvet to prevent scratches. Number 1. 365 Invent Saxophone Clarinet Reed Case. Introducing the 365 Invent Reed Case, designed to protect your valuable saxophone and clarinet reeds. Keep them safe and sound with this essential accessory. This case has ample space, capable of holding up to 10 reeds at a time. Never be caught without a spare when you need it most. Worried about humidity affecting your reeds? This case helps prevent moisture damage, ensuring your reeds remain in optimal condition. Crafted with a combination of artificial leather and a glass pane, this case is built to last. It offers both durability and a touch of elegance. Designed for convenience, it closes tightly to ensure security but opens easily when you're ready to play. Accessing your reeds has never been simpler. Available in a classic black color, this reed case complements any musician's gear. It's a stylish and practical choice for any player. What we like. This case is a strong contender if you need to store a larger quantity of reeds and are concerned about moisture. If you like the idea of a glass interior for a premium feel and want to keep up to 10 reeds safe and dry, this is the one to consider. Its tight seal and easy open-close mechanism make it both functional and convenient. What people say. The case is very sturdy and protects the clarinet well. It has plenty of space for accessories like reeds, swabs, and cleaning cloths. The interior is lined with soft material to prevent scratches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.